Hey guys, I'm Joshua with PoolBots.com, and today we're taking a closer look at the all-new Dolphin Sigma robotic pool cleaner. The engineers over at Dolphin have finally done what some thought would never happen. They created a residential robot with the high-end technology from the Dolphin commercial robots. Then they added a fantastic Sigma Plus app with both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. From the beginning, we were amazed by the technology and performance of this robot. In fact, we'll just say it, the 2020 Dolphin Sigma is the best robotic pool cleaner available today. From powerful triple motors to waterline cleaning and gyroscopic mobility, the Sigma is packed with features that work together to create the most powerful and effective pool robot ever. It costs about $1,299, depending on where you buy it. But the Sigma's commercial grade performance plus advanced features like Wi-Fi make it worth every penny. Let's take a look at everything that comes with the Sigma. The body of the Sigma is a beast. You can feel how durable and well built it is. The shape is still hydrodynamic and has a low center of gravity and buoyant dual stabilizers that gives it superpowers when it decides to attach to and clean the wall. Its power supply is compact and surprisingly straightforward, considering all you can do with it. It comes with both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on board. For the first time ever, you can now connect your robot to Wi-Fi. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities such as over-the-air software updates and remote troubleshooting. We've been asking for this for years, and it's finally here. We're also excited about the new ability to control the schedule with pinpoint precision. Want to clean your waterline on Tuesday and your floor on Wednesday? It's now possible. You have full control of not only cleaning frequencies and durations, but also location. Of course, there's no need to manually start Sigma, and now the engineers have also added delayed start. You can schedule Sigma to run when and where you like, on your terms. No other robot gives you this level of control. With the Sigma, you can connect it to a Sigma Plus app on your phone or other smart device, and you have complete control over it. You can even remotely drive the Sigma with your phone or tablet for a quick spot clean, or just let the kids drive it for fun. They'll get hours of entertainment and you'll end up with a clean pool. The Sigma also comes with a 60-foot rubber cable and Dolphin's patented anti-tangle swivel. This is an absolute must-have to prevent cable tangling. The filtration system is two massive top-loading cartridges. They come with a fine and ultra-fine cartridges for a customizable clean. Getting the Sigma up and running is fast and simple. It took us about 10 minutes total. Just pull it out of the box, remove the packaging, plug it in, and go. We were really excited to get the Sigma in the water with a new gyroscope on board. This advanced sensor detects pitch, yaw, and roll, so the microprocessor knows where the Sigma is at all times. This is a huge advantage in the pool and delivers major efficiency improvements. Once we saw the Sigma get moving underwater, it became very clear that it offers unprecedented coverage. Most robotic pool cleaners wander aimlessly, but the Sigma actually appears intelligent as it navigates. It took a calculated route underwater with decided, precise movements, and it climbed up to the waterline consistently, even from the deep end of the pool. How does it deliver such great coverage? There are several pieces to that puzzle. First, gyroscopic mobility. This technology is a game changer. Their advanced sensors monitor and control position, orientation, direction, and rotation. When you put that same technology on a robotic pool cleaner, it provides constant and precise information to the cleaner's microprocessor. That means it delivers more effective cleaning coverage, climbing, and waterline cleaning. And it makes the Sigma way more efficient, both in terms of coverage and energy. Second, Smart Nav 3.0. This is the newest version of Dolphin's navigation software. So while the gyroscopes keep a check on the Sigma's positioning, Smart Nav 3.0 actively scans and maps your pool. When the two come together, they leave no surface of the pool untouched. The third feature that really sets the Sigma's coverage apart is its motors. It has 3 powerful DC motors on board. In fact, they're the same kinds of motors Dolphin uses on their commercial robots. No other residential robotic pool cleaner has this much power. And although they're incredibly powerful, the triple DC motors are energy efficient. They use 87% less energy than traditional cleaners. While the Gyroscope SmartNav 3.0 and triple motors are the brains and brawn of the Sigma, the Hyper Grip tracks and swivel cable are the other heavy lifters. These tracks blow wheeled cleaners out of the water. They cling to pool surfaces and won't lose traction. They've got a high grip and water optimized tread, and they cover a greater surface area than just 4 wheels. The anti-tangle swivel frees up the Sigma to move where it needs to. Without it, the long cable will get tangled up and it'll hinder the Sigma's movement. But the patented swivel makes it a non-issue. All of these components work together to create excellent coverage, especially at the waterline. This is a key feature for any pool owner. The waterline is also known as the scum line because it's where a lot of the dirt, debris, and bacteria build up. Hands down, it's the dirtiest part of the pool, and only a few robotic pool cleaners are capable of reaching it and cleaning it for you. The Sigma has the unique ability to clean above and below the waterline. After watching the Sigma navigate our test pool for several days, we'd say it's tied with the Dolphin Premier for the best waterline cleaning pool robot. So, the Sigma can get to every nook and cranny of the pool, but can it clean as well as it climbs? The short answer is yes. Unlike any other residential robotic pool cleaner, the Sigma has quad scrubbing brushes that attack the grime that's attached to the pool surfaces. They're also split spinning, so they deliver incredible turning ability. In fact, it's the only robot that can actually spin in place. This is where the waterline comes in again. The Sigma's 4 powerful brushes are especially effective against bacteria, algae, and biofilm. These are huge headaches for pool owners, and they're often found at the scum line. But the Sigma scrubs them away powerfully, and it leaves nothing for you to scrub yourself. With how mobile the Sigma is, Dolphin designed it to vacuum both forward and reverse. So even as it maneuvers out of the corners or down a wall, it's still filtering debris from the water. The Sigma's top loading filter cartridges are the largest ever in a pool robot. Cartridges used to be small and flimsy, and they'd fill up fast. But Dolphin made these larger, and they can hold more debris than you'd expect. Plus, they're easy to clean. They snap apart so you can rinse each panel individually. Then you just snap them back together. You can customize the filtration too. The Sigma comes with a fine filter media and an ultra fine filter media. Use the fine filter for regular cleanings or larger debris. Use the ultra fine filter to do a deep clean. It can capture particles as small as 2 microns. When it comes to usability, the Sigma is unbeatable. Not only will it clean above and below the waterline for you, but it has the latest Connect technology that allows you to customize, update, and troubleshoot through your Wi-Fi. The Sigma Plus app connects to the intelligent power supply, which is fully programmable for both scheduling and cleaning location. With this app, you can actually set a part of the pool you want to clean by day. You can even navigate and control the Sigma from your phone. In fact, Dolphin can update the software and their technicians can remotely diagnose the Sigma for you. Wi-Fi on the Sigma is truly a game changer. For all its power and performance, the Sigma is also energy efficient. Compared to traditional pressure and suction side cleaners, the Sigma consumes almost 90% less energy. It costs 5 cents an hour to operate, uses 180 watts, and operates independently of your pool equipment. Its specs are on par with the most energy efficient cleaners today. Sigma comes with an unprecedented, non-prorated 3-year warranty and a 30-day risk-free trial. So there you have it. The Dolphin Sigma, the latest and most connected Dolphin robot, is also the best pool robot on the market today. Other cleaners pale in comparison, especially next to the Sigma's superior technology. In an age of technological advancements, many robotic pool cleaners have stayed too far behind, settling for the same old dated designs. But not the Sigma. It is the embodiment of what is now possible in the pool robot industry, and it'll take a long time before anything catches up. As always, you can read real reviews and learn more about the Dolphin Sigma and dozens of other robotic pool cleaners at PoolBots.com. Visit our website to find the best deals, tips, and tricks for pool ownership and special buys that'll help you enjoy your pool to its full potential.